And you can see that there are a few different menus that are already created for you. So I'll just remove this main one because it has a bunch of stuff that we don't have anymore. So I'm going to delete this menu. So I'll just click on delete. And what we can do is we can also remove the footer menu if you want. So we can create a hypothetical menu. I think I'll just leave this one for now, and you can come in and modify it if you want. So you can see right here that it does say secondary menu, and the location is selected for the footer and the top bar. So if you have these and it's showing in these two places, then you probably want to update these links. So if I wanted to just remove the about page, I can come here and delete or remove this, and then I can add my new about page just by clicking on this and drag this up here. And then same with the contact page. So maybe we'll do that, and then I'll show you how to add the full menu for the header. So I'm going to select that and just have that and click save right here. So to create a header menu, we can click on new menu right here on this link, and then I can just type in main at the top over here, and I want to select the location that it's going to show up. So it's going to be the main menu, and I can click on the continue button, and I'm just going to add the pages that I want. So I'll do the blog, about, the contact page, and the shop page. And the logo is going to be the home page. So I don't need to add that one, but I can if I wanted to. So you can see that these are the options that we have, and I can drag them around. And what we can also do is we can have a drop down with maybe our categories if you want underneath the shop section. So if you want to do that, what we can do is come into categories right here, and you can see that it only has for the blog posts. So what we can do instead is create custom links. So I'm going to go and hover over categories under products and open up a new tab right here. And for my categories, I can click on view for all of these. So I'll just click on a few of them, maybe 4 just to show you. So I have my URLs up here, and what we can do is add custom links. So I can come in here and copy this and then just paste in the URL, and this is for gold right here. So I can type in gold and just push enter, and then I can do it for necklace also, and I'll just do this 2 more times, and we'll do pearl right here, and then I'm going to show you how to format it after this. So if you want to do the same, you can, you don't have to. And this is a lot of back and forth, so that's why I don't always do this, but this is going to be for rings right here. So let's just type it in, and you can see that the categories are right here. I want to be able to hover over this on the shop menu and then have this drop down just like this. And there's a bunch of different ways that you can build out the menu with the Flotsam theme, and this is just one of them. So once we have our menu set, we can click on save right here, and now we can go and check out the e-commerce website. So I'm going to hover over the website name again and click on visit site. So you can see on the home page now we have our header menu up here, and if we hover over the shop, we have this drop down with these other categories. So the last thing that we can do is if you also edit the footer, just know that it's going to show up down here. But the one thing that I do want to show you really quickly is for the shop page, if you want to customize the sidebar right here.